blooming hair, oops, blooming day. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about change. Specifically on 3 ways on how to change to a healthy cash flow. With that said, let's dive into it. First is for you to have a right mindset. This is the most important before you can actually have a healthy cash flow. Our brain is the most important organ in our body. Dati, palagi ko sinasabi sa mga friends ko na, follow your heart lang palagi, ganyan. But I realized na when we always follow our heart, nawawala yung pagiging rational beings natin. I guess that's why the brain is in the topmost of our body to remind us that we can take control of our actions through our mindset in any aspects of our life, including your finances. So, malapit na yung Lazada's bounce back mid-year sale this coming July 15. Anong pagaganahin mo? Is it your emotions o yung puso mo? Or your rationality or yung utak mo? I'm not saying that online shopping is a bad thing. Kasi hello, sino ba naman yung hindi pa nakakapag-online shopping, right? Basta bago ka mag-add to cart, think 4 times or 5 times if need mo ba talaga yung item na yon. Comment down below kung ano yung masusundin mo. Is it your heart or your mind? Naniniwala talaga ako na if you set your mind and your focus into something, you'll eventually achieve it. Gusto mo ma-pay off yung credit card balance mo or yung mga utang mo? Set your mindset na gusto mo matapos na yung mga utang mo. Gusto mo ba ma-track down yung mga expenses mo ng maayos? Set your mindset na gusto mo maayos yung cash flow mo. Gusto mo ba makapag-start mag-invest? Set your mindset that you want to invest kasi meron kang financial goal. With that said, let's proceed to the second way on how to change to a healthy cash flow, which is to pay yourself first. This concept is from Robert Kiyosaki's book, The Cash Flow Quadrant. So, simple lang yung explanation niya. Literal na babayaran mo muna yung sarili mo before anything else. So for example, you get your paycheck every 15 or 30, or if monthly basis kayo every month, you get 20% of it, then put it into a separate bank account as your savings. Then if you're ready, you could start investing this amount. This helps you build your habit and discipline of saving and investing for your future. So for example, 20,000 yung monthly salary mo. So get 20% of it, which is 4,000. Then, for example, medyo nalalakihan ka. You can always start small at 10% per month, which is 2,000 pesos. As long as you're consistent with paying yourself first, it's perfectly fine for you to start small. Then eventually, gradually increase mo na lang yung pag-allot mo or pag-allocate mo until you reach the recommended 20% or more if kaya mo, diba? And if paying yourself gets hard, go back to the number 1 way, which is to rewire your mind or set your mindset. The third and last way for you to change to a healthy cash flow is for you to track it. I've talked to a lot of clients through my one-on-one cash flow management online session, and marami sa kanila na napagdadaanan din kung ano yung napapagdaanan mo, na hindi nila natatrack yung expenses nila or hindi nila alam kung saan napupunta yung pera nila until we dissect per category kung ano yung mga ginastos nila on a monthly basis. Then they'll realize, ang laki pala ng nagagastos ko sa food delivery. Or yung isa, ang laki pala ng nagagastos ko sa skincare ko. The point is, madali lang naman mag-track ng expenses natin through readily available apps sa phones natin, right? Ang problema lang is, tamad ka mag-track ng expenses mo. Don't get offended kasi this is also me talking to the younger me. And if natamaan ka, you can also enroll in my free one-on-one cash flow management online session where I'll share you the secret to organizing, allocating, and managing your personal cash flow the accounted way but made easy and simple just for you. So if you want to enroll on my course, click the link on the description box below so that you can set your appointment with me. So going back, in the past 3 weeks, I've shared these videos about stock market investments, but I really don't recommend diving to any kind of stock market investing if you haven't figured out a way on how to fix and allocate your money. If mag-start ka na mag-invest but you haven't figured out or naayos yung personal cash flow mo, you'll be in trouble. I promise.
Oh no!
Again, tracking your expenses is as simple as sharing a post on Facebook or scrolling through your Instagram. It's just a matter of rewiring your mind na gugustuhin mong mag-track ng expenses mo for you to have proper money management. I genuinely want to encourage you to take baby steps in fixing your finances. If you're having a hard time setting your mindset, that's okay. That's perfectly normal. But at least every day, take baby steps, like telling yourself, today, I will be responsible for myself, for my expenses, for my cash flow. And as I do this, I acknowledge my blessings and the abundant life that is to come. Be grateful on where you are now and be hopeful on where you'll be tomorrow. In that way, you can take that step forward in achieving your financial goals. With that said, I want to remind you to always bloom where you are planted. Be a blessing. This is Daisy. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye guys!